We're under blizzard conditions here in Anchorage on the lower hillside. The storm has just come in and the winds are getting pretty strong with the blowing snow. The winds are howling, it's blowing the snow all over the place. And some pretty strong wind gusts, blowing snow. And here comes another strong one. Oh my goodness. It's supposed to be like this until 9 p.m. tonight. I hope it comes in and goes out quickly, because this is not fun. Goodness. Hope we don't lose our power tonight. This is looking out my front porch. It's nasty out here. Comes another big wind gust. Man, I hope we don't lose our power tonight. Shit. This is nasty. Trees are freaking flipping all over the place.